Alright everybody, welcome back for another tutorial. I just wanted to quickly show you how to change the permission for downloading files on Microsoft Edge. When you first install it, when you click the download button, it's going to ask you every time down here at the bottom, where do you want to put this? So, in order to change this so it automatically downloads and you don't get asked this each time, we're going to go over to the triple dots here. We're going to get to our settings, and then from the settings, we're going to scroll down until we get to downloads. Now that we're in the download section, what we're going to do is we're going to say, ask me what to do with each download, turn that off. So toggle it to the left by clicking on it. All right, so now when I click on the download button, you can see that it finished downloaded. The installer here is in my downloads folder. I can simply click view downloads, shows over here on the side. And then I can also click open folder, and then it will show me the folder location, which is my downloads folder. I hope you found this information helpful, so you don't have to choose where to download the file each time. If you have any questions, please make sure to reach out in the comments below. And again, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know that you're liking what I'm doing. Until next time, have a great day.